Great day everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we would like to show you our bikini process production. So in the end you will know exactly how we manufacture our swimwear products. First step, we prepare the fabrics by cutting and measuring. Then flap the fabrics on the table. Normally, our fabric material are 80% nylon and 20% spandex. After that, prepare the pattern. As we all know, the bikini design is rich and diverse. We can design it as creative and innovative as we like. Well, the pattern design can be provided by our manufacturer, or sent by client. Then, we can start to draw the fabrics. It's basically we draw an outline outside the pattern that we already place on top of the fabrics. This will make sewing easier and more efficient. After we draw, we can start to cut the fabrics. Cutting the fabrics will much more easier and faster after we draw a line before. With our talented workers proven with a long experience in tailoring field, we pretty much sure that the result will gives you satisfaction and contentment. Usually we use cutting machine for more precision cut. After we finish the cutting process, we can start for stitching process. In the textile arts, a stitch is a single turn or loop of thread, or yarn. Stitches are the fundamental elements of sewing, knitting, embroidery, crochet, and needle lace making, whether by hand or machine. A variety of stitches, each with one or more names, are used for specific purposes. We always use the best sewing machine and professional worker for the best result. Stitching have many technique, from decorative stitches, straight stitch, zigzag stitch, blind stitch, and stretch stitch. We use almost all the technique in our stitching process, and some of the technique are the most used among the other, like decorative stitch, and straight stitch. After the all stitching process are done, we can send the sample to the client. If the client agree with the sample, we can continue to do size grading. Size grading is a fashion measurement with letter code like S, M, L and XL. After the grading is done, we can start for the mass productions, and we make a label by client request followed with the sewing process. Well, that's all our bikini production process. If you find this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Check our website and our social media for more beachwear collections. Please send an email to hello@balisarong.com. Thank you for watching.